Alright guys, welcome back to a new video. So this is what a strut mount look like for a 2002 Chevy Venture. So this one, you can see center part here damaged. See, it's making a lot of noise while it's driving. Let's see if I can get it out. Okay, so it's a bit stuck in there now, but it's moving. As you can see, brake, it's cracked right around, and this is the bearings for it. So let's go over it like this. This is what the strut look like. So I was driving and I keep on hearing this sound and I couldn't figure out what's going on, so when I shake the wheel I noticed it's rocking in the root, the strut. So I purchased this at Advanced Auto spring compressor. So I use it to hold the spring in place so it don't fly and hurt me. This is my tools right here. These are all my tools. So I'm going to see if I can get this strut mount and replace it, because nothing wrong with this strut. It's good. It's working. So I'm just going to replace the strut mount. I should be okay. That's my little boy making a lot of noise right while riding the scooter. Okay, so I'm going to get the new strut mount